Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Donnie here, and I'm
What,
with my brother Zion,
what's good, everyone?
and we're fired up and excited to be putting something special together for you guys in regards to a beginner-friendly course and content that's really going to help you get started on the right foot. We could definitely be selling this, and maybe we
We're
should,
not.
but we're not.
Yeah.
We're giving it to you guys for free. And so in this video, we'll kind of overview what we're going to be discussing. But before I do that, I got to tell you guys how phenomenal it is to be working alongside somebody like Zion. Zion's somebody who has years of experience of trading. He's been in the markets now for more than 4 years, and he's someone that I've literally worked with alongside of in the trading space, and the impact he's been able to make, not just on his own financial situation, but in many other people's financial situations, is it's phenomenal, to be honest. You know, from managing client funds to educating and applying the principles in trading, getting somebody from a point of not knowing anything to actually seeing tangible results in the markets is truly unique. It's a unique opportunity for somebody as an individual to do it for themselves, but be able to give that same opportunity and the same resources and value to somebody else that can also run with it and create student testimonials is truly something special. So excited to have him here. And yeah,
Thank you so much, Donnie. I appreciate you, and it's really such a pleasure to be here. And Donnie is an absolute superstar as well. Do not forget, he's been in the game actually a lot longer than me. He's been trading for about 7 years now.
almost
And
eight,
yeah,
almost eight, bro.
almost 8 years.
Time
And
flies.
Donnie is responsible for helping out so many people in the game, in the industry. He's been such an influence in my life personally and just in the lives of the people I see every day. I'm genuinely inspired by this dude. So it's such a pleasure to be here right now with you, Donnie. And we are so excited to share this course for you. It's a beginner's course. It's going to be everything that you need to know getting started. And we felt like we're a lot more advanced in the game. We just felt like it's a good idea to share some basics, some fundamental truths, some fundamental understandings before we get into more advanced things. Obviously, me on my channel, I'm going to be sharing some a lot more advanced things. Like it's you're going to need these foundations in order to understand the things that will come forth. And so that's why we've made this intention of creating this course, which quite honestly we could put a dollar amount on. We're just making the decision not to. We want to put y'all on game for free. We understand how hard this game can be for real, getting into the trading space, into the financial markets, understanding everything, approaching it with the right and mature mindset. We understand everything that it takes. And so we've created this for y'all.
We're honestly excited. We're excited to put this together for y'all. And this video, obviously introducing ourselves, this is going to be posted on both our channels collaboratively. Shout out to you guys for
Yes.
making that possible.
Shout out to you too. That's
Absolutely
real.
fire.
Super.
But yeah, we want to give you guys kind of a surface level, tip of the iceberg, what to expect throughout this content, throughout this course, all of which you can work
Yes.
through all this content in a matter of, a couple hours. If you're taking notes, it might take you a little bit longer, but I would say no more than a couple hours, you're going to be able to bang out this whole course. And you'll be in a position where you have that foundation laid to then be able to build upon it and actually create a system for yourself. So, some of the things we're going to be talking about, one of the main things, obviously in getting started trading is understanding the difference between trading and investing. So that's something we're going to be talking about relatively early on in the course. We're going to be talking about what actually is the financial markets. What are the financial markets? How does it work? What are the things that you should be considering for yourself? We're going to be talking about what a broker is, what it looks like to be effectively trading with risk. You're going to be making a video, I believe, discussing R
Of course.
and obviously the importance with that. And
We're going to be talking about a few things as Donnie mentioned. What is R? Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. It's an amazing thing to know of. How to place a trade. So understanding buying, selling, lot sizing, contract sizing, CFDs, futures, things like that. We're going to get into the basics of it all. Common mistakes to avoid. So
huge.
we've seen a lot of people just make the same mistakes over and over again. And so that section is going to be us just going over the common mistakes that an individual makes getting into the industry so you don't make those same mistakes. What exactly is an edge? So really understanding from a fundamental standpoint what it really is. I'm sure you've heard that word before in the markets, but understanding it from a day trader perspective is really important as well. And then finally, we'll be talking about mechanical versus discretionary trading. I think something that is not talked about enough in the industry and is something that we're definitely going to be talking about.
Very few traders, even people with experience, actually have the context of what that is, mechanical versus discretionary trading. And we have a few other things we're going to be talking about as well in the course. Maybe we'll put up like a little official table of contents on screen for y'all.
Yeah.
Here's the official table of contents. There may be some videos that we add in that aren't in this list, but this is the general overview and kind of what to expect throughout the course.
But without further ado, man, let's get into the course. Make sure you're taking
Blessings.
notes. Make sure you are in a position where you're ready to learn and really absorb and soak up this information. And
Let's get to it.
we'll see y'all in the first lesson, baby. Let's
Come
go.
on. Peace out, y'all. Thank you for your time. Blessings.
Okay, so first, how do we want to be like?
Bro, you think people are watching my content thinking like, yo, this guy's really good looking?
Oh, for sure, people are.
You think so?
Yeah, dude, you're
Good looking educator?
you're a stud.
Thank you, brother. So are you.
I'm trying to look as good as you, man.
You're actually a sexy dude.
You know, I've actually thought about growing my hair out like you.
Bro, do it. It would look so fire. And do it and pull it back.
Yeah.
Like, do you have curly hair? I don't even know.
It's wavy.
Brother, you should be running that right now.
I used to have like a dirty flow
Duh.
back in my hockey days, you know? You know why it's perfect?
Why?
Because we can like hold hands. They can't see us.
Game.
Ah! Game!
Jibbity bobbity game. Oh, we're recording.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
They're gonna know we're holding hands.
they know we're gay. Bro, my teeth, my like literally my gums are ripping through because of my braces right now. Like it's so hard for me to.
Yeah, I know how it is.
We won't
I've
get
had
through
braces for
I might have to smoke a spliff later.
That's the
Maybe
only
20
solution.
minutes.
Honestly.
Do my due diligence and I'm losing it. There's a black security guard walking up to us. I'm just losing it, you know. But yeah, without further ado,
Without further.
I said I'm being shy right now.